Hi guys, so now we will discuss how you can build a game. Okay, so you have already gone through JavaScript basics, we have already covered a game also. So now it's your turn to first think of, if you want to design a game like this, what requirements you will have. Okay, so you need to think of what are the things that are required to build this particular game. Okay, or what elements you will have in this game. Okay, so make a list before I discuss. Okay, so let's discuss. So firstly, you need a background. Okay, you need let's first talk about assets and objects that you will have in the game. Okay, so you will have a background, you will have a player. Okay, so the goal of the player is to move through the windows. Okay, so move through the different enemies you have in this. Okay, and then you have these particles, let's call them as enemies. Okay, COVID particles, these are like your enemies, and you have something called a gem where you need to reach. Okay, so these are the main objects in the game. Okay, you and rest everything is just a part of background. So you have this thing, then you need to think of what controls you need to have. Okay, so in order to move the player, you need some kind of a event listener. Okay, either it can be through keyboard, or it can be through mouse, or it can be through touch. So you need an event listener. Okay, and what else you need a game logic. Okay, so in this game what I have done is, when you collide with this particle, your health decreases, and if the score becomes negative, you basically get a game over screen. Okay, so you need to do some kind of a collision detection also. Okay, so you need to write an algorithm that detects collision between two particles. Okay, let's say this is one particle, this is another particle. You need a collision detection function, or algorithm to detect collision detections. Okay, and once you reach here, you can again check for collision between the player and the gem, and you can say, okay, your level is clear, you will move to the next level, something like this. Okay, so what I will suggest is, you first try to build the game components by yourself in the code, and then if you're stuck, then you can go through my videos that I am going to provide you in this particular section. Okay, so that's all for this video. Let's start building the game from the next video.